Hello everybody, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I'm just gonna kind of share with you just a quick and easy tutorial on a move called the one-handed cut, okay? Now that's what the one-handed cut looks like. I know some of you have had trouble kind of getting the one-handed cut down in certain tricks that I use it for in previous tutorials, but basically it's the most easiest one-handed cut to do, and you do it to say like if you had done a trick with a double lift and you have a card on top, and an easy way just to get that card not on top anymore and lose it in the deck is to do a one-handed cut. There's other things that you can use a one-handed cut for, etc. So let me just explain to you really quickly on how to do a one-handed cut. Now you just have a regular deck of cards, and what you're doing is you're just holding the deck between your thumb and your fingers, okay? So it's a way that you can kind of pivot the cards where you can have the bottom card sticking out towards this is my left hand, this is my right hand, or sticking out so the top card's more to the left than the bottom card, okay? So when you get to the one-handed cut, you just kind of want to pivot the cards in a way so you have them kind of sticking out more with the top card to the left than the bottom card, okay? And that'll allow you just to relieve some pressure with your thumb and have a packet of cards just drop down into your hand, okay? So you're just holding the cards one-handed, have it kind of pivoted over so the top card's sticking out more to the left, and then you can just relieve some pressure with your thumb and drop just about as many cards as you want. Now, it doesn't have to be an exact number, you just want about half of the deck, okay? So you pivot over with your thumb, just relieve some of that pressure, okay, gently, and then just have gravity do all the rest of the work. Now, with your pointer finger on your left hand, just take the pack of cards in your hand, and with your pointer finger, you're just pushing up on that card, on those cards, and then let gravity do the rest, and the top half now will fall into your hand, and then with your thumb, just kind of complete the cut and move your finger out of the way, okay? So what it looks like is just relieve the pressure with some of the cards with your thumb, pointer finger pushing up, okay? And the bottom stack over onto your thumb, letting these fall with gravity, and then just letting the bottom stack, which is now the top stack, fall back in your hand and moving your finger out of the way. You're just really using your thumb and your pointer finger, and then these fingers here on your hand are just holding the cards, okay? So you just let them fall, pointer finger push over, let gravity do the rest of the work, and that's the one-handed cut, okay? And then when you do it, just nonchalantly, there it goes. This is the easiest way to do a one-handed cut. It just has to do with a little bit of practice and some, finger memory, I guess. Let some cards fall, okay? Over and over and over again. Just with your pointer finger, push over, gravity does most of the work, and that's the one-handed cut, okay? Please let me know what you think. As always, please like and subscribe to this video. I post magic tutorial videos, usually with magic tricks instead of just with one move on Wednesdays, so make sure you have that bell clicked for the notifications when I do post new tutorials, okay? Thank you very much, and until next time.